The Gadget Watcher.
Alright, people, back with another video. This is OM5, Nick OM5 Click, you know what I'm saying? I'm back with another one, back with another wonderful tech slash tactical gear video, you know what I'm saying? Today we reacting to like 30 tactical gears that you could use, you know, on the outdoors or use during, you know what I'm saying, the apocalypse, doomsday, or, you know what I'm saying, things that you could use when you're living off grid, basically. So these are 30 tactical gear we're gonna watch. We're gonna react to, and I hope they got some good products, man, because your life might depend on it. So let's go watch, man.
Clean water is crucial in any survival situation, and access to it will increase your survival tenfold.
True.
That is where the Grail UltraPress comes in. It isn't just compact and easy to use, but it also ensures you're drinking safe, purified water wherever you are. It removes waterborne pathogens and is built from CP4 Grade 1 titanium, making it incredibly durable and lightweight. The laser-engraved topo art adds a sleek touch. But it's not just about looks. The OnePress Global Filtration System is award-winning for a reason. It's ridiculously easy to use. Just fill, press, and drink.
Oh, wow.
Plus, it has a one-way silicone valve and a paracord D-ring loop, and it fits any cup holder. You can also use it to heat food and water, perfect for those cold nights. And with ultra-powdered activated carbon, it even handles heavy metals and chemicals.
Oh, wow.
It's also drink mix ready, so you can add electrolytes or flavor without clogging the filter.
Yeah, that's a pretty dope bottle right there. Water filtration system slash bottle slash, you know what I'm saying, skillet of some sort, or a pot you could boil water with, or, you know what I'm saying, the water bottle, a shake bottle. Can make your little smoothie up and then pour it. Hey man, you could do a whole lot with that bottle. So I recommend that bottle.
Reliable power isn't always guaranteed in emergencies. Without power, most of your devices will fail in a few hours, and you will be cut off from communication. Then utilizing the power of the sun will be the way forward. The QuadraPro Solar Power Bank does exactly that. It gives you a dependable source of energy, no matter where you are. This power bank charges for free using 4 high-powered 5.5-watt solar panels, giving you sustainable energy straight from the sun. With an 8,000 milliamp-hour battery capacity, it's powerful enough to charge up to 3 devices at once. Plus, the built-in LED flashlight is perfect for those dark off-grid nights. Whether you're off the grid or in a blackout, the QuadraPro Solar Power Bank ensures you're never without power. Staying warm and dry is crucial in dire situations because hypothermia can set in quickly, especially in harsh conditions. That's why having the prepared 4X Mylar emergency poncho in your survival kit is so important. It's designed to keep you alive when the elements are against you. This poncho is made from NASA-engineered Mylar, which is 2 times thicker than standard blankets, making it incredibly durable and tear-resistant. It's also built to retain 90% of your body heat, even in the most extreme conditions. The poncho design gives you the mobility you need, while the hooded feature protects your head from critical heat loss, further preventing hypothermia. Moreover, it's waterproof and wind-resistant, so you're covered no matter the weather. The poncho's one feature that stands out is its ability to be turned inside out.
Wow. Wait, inside out for what?
Showing the reflective side. This increases visibility during search and rescue operations, potentially saving your life.
Oh, okay.
Prepared 4x4 emergency Mylar poncho is tough, versatile, and built to keep you alive when it matters most.
That's pretty dope.
Fire is among the most important elements in terms of survival. Whether you need to stay warm, cook food, or signal for help, the ability to start a fire is crucial. The Firelight makes that process easy and reliable, even in the worst conditions. With the touch of a button, you can ignite a fire, thanks to its waterproof and windproof design. The built-in 100-lumen LED light is perfect for finding your way in the dark, and the 3-foot Tinder cord lanyard provides an emergency fire starter. Rechargeable and fuel-free, this ultralight lighter charges in just 2 hours via USB and can light over 100 fires. At less than 2
So if you could buy the little solar power bank and buy that, you could survive, bro.
ounces, it's even compact enough to fit in the palm of your hand.
And the little NASA blanket slash hoodie thing. You could really survive a lot with that. And the bottle.
Staying warm and protected from the elements is crucial in any emergency. In adverse situations, you have a higher chance of dying from exposure to elements than dehydration or hunger. That is where the Tact Bivy 2 steps in. It uses the Heat Echo material and will help to reflect 90% of your body heat, keeping you alive in freezing conditions. The sleeping bag comes in a lightweight, reusable bivy pack that can turn into an oversized stuff sack with a para-tinder drawstring, giving you both secure storage and an emergency fire tinder. Lastly, the 120-decibel whistle helps signal for rescue, and the carabiner makes it easy to clip onto your gear.